Thursday night, communities across the Bay Area and beyond are grappling as 6 of the skiers killed in the Castle Peak avalanche are identified, all of them moms, several from Marin County.
It's just so extremely sad. I mean, you go to have a good time and you don't expect to not come home, and family members having to adjust. It's just very sad.
From bookstores to restaurants, a community in mourning.
Marin is a very small community, as you know. I've been here 26 years in my restaurant, so I know a lot of the locals. Everybody's feeling it. Everybody's kids ski, you know. You can put yourself in their shoes very easily, so it's a huge tragedy.
In Green Bay, neighbors processing the loss of Kate Vitt.
Vibrant, friendly person, devoted to her kids. I'd see them, she'd walk them to school in the morning.
She was just out there with her kids and getting them hustled off to school and after-school activities, and she just seemed like a super friendly, great mom.
The families of the victims thanking search teams. Thursday releasing a joint statement reading in part, "We are heartbroken and are doing our best to care for one another and our families in the way we know these women would have wanted." 2 of the victims identified as sisters. Caroline Sekar, who lived in San Francisco's Bernal Heights neighborhood, and her sister Liz Clabo, who lived in Idaho.
Caroline was just the most solid gold, beautiful person.
Jen Wofford was Caroline's neighbor and recalls her love of skiing and frequent trips to Tahoe.
She was just a wonderful human being who loved life and was just full of love and just a very vibrant person. One of the nicest people I've ever known.
The victims' families are also asking for privacy at this time as they, quote, grieve this sudden and profound loss.